Additional support: addiction entities from Spain, Hungary, and Italy. Hungary. Kek Fonal Giermek Krisis Alapítvány. Phone number +36 1 354 3029. Email address info@kekvonal.eu. Website https://kekvonal.eu. Spain. UCA Santander. Phone number +34 942 332 544. Email address drogodependencias Santander Salud. S. Italy. Comunità San Patrignano. Phone number +39 0541 3621 Mauala. Email address info@sanpatrignano.org. Website https://sanpatrignano.org. Mental health entities from Spain, Hungary, and Italy. Hungary. Blue Point Foundation. Phone number 670 607 4969. Email address info@kekpont.hu. Website https://kekpont.hu. Spain. Fundación ANAR. Phone number +34 91 726 2700. Email address kaileanar.org. Website https://www.anar.org. Contatto Italy. Fondazione Progetto Itaca. Phone number +39 02 62 5 Email address info@progettoitaca.org. Website https://progettoitaca.org. Suicide prevention entities from Spain, Hungary, and Italy. Hungary. Telefonos Lelki Elso Segeli Sholgalat. Phone number 116 123. You have to dial like this. Email address lesirodagmail.com. Website www.sosona6.1.3.hu. Spain. Suicide prevention. Hotline 024. You have to dial like this. Teléfono de la Esperanza. Phone numbers 77 003 717 and 91 459 0055. Email address info@telefonodelaesperanza.org. Website https://telefonodelaesperanza.org. Italy. Telefono Amico Italia. Phone numbers 022327 2327 and 324 011 7252. Email address info@telefonoamico.it. Website https://telefonoamico.it.